Now let's walk through how to send a review request using the epicSnap mobile web app. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. In the inbox, find the order you want to send a review request for. Then tap the Send button, shown as the camera icon on the right side of the order. A pop-up will appear showing the order details, along with two options: Send with image or Send without image. If you choose Send with image, you can either take a photo or upload one from your device. If you choose to take a photo, your camera will open so you can capture the image. After taking a photo, review the preview. If you'd like to try taking the photo again, tap Retake. If everything looks good, tap Use Photo to continue. If you choose Upload an image, select a photo from your device. The image will appear in the preview so you can continue with the request. If you change your mind at this stage, you can also use the Retake or Upload buttons at the top right of the screen to capture a new photo or choose a different image. Next, you'll also see an option that says, "Don't ask the recipient to send a photo back." Check this if you don't want to request a photo from the recipient. This is useful for sensitive orders, such as sympathy arrangements or situations where asking for a photo may not be appropriate. Next, choose when the request should be sent. You can tap Send Now to send the review request immediately, or choose Schedule to send it later. If you select Schedule, pick a delay from the drop-down options. Then tap Save to confirm. While the review request is being sent, you'll see a short message showing the progress. Please stay on the screen until the confirmation message appears, so you know everything went through correctly. epicSnap will use the email setup you configured in the admin web app. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to preview your email templates in the admin app before sending requests to customers. This helps make sure your message looks exactly how you want it. And that's how you can send and schedule review requests from the mobile web app. Whenever you need support, just click the menu and tap Help Center. Epic is always here to help you. For demos or additional support, feel free to reach out to support@epicshops.com. Our team is always ready to help.